Alright, don't bite on me.
Yeah, I know. Still, and just her ears were kind of like back, like, whoa, what's going on? Our sweet Bubba boy. Our sweet Bubba boy, yeah. My sweet Bubba boy. Ready, Dad? Let's go see if that girl's ready. Well, we've already had one positive heat check. We need a second one to totally confirm it. I have no food for her, so this is going to be fun.
Well, yeah, I'll be. Like, they're coming over here.
Okay.
Did you not smash up your box yet?
You haven't done your job.
Huh? Are you not doing any work?
Come here. Come here, say hi to me. Come here. Open the gate, honey.
Huh?
Open the gate.
You gotta be over here.
I know, but I gotta keep her from the gate
Man,
first.
she already piled a bunch of stuff in front of her.
Yeah.
No, that doesn't work. Get back! Get back! I can just do it myself.
Okay, you go do it.
So go over there.
Okay. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Come here. Daddy's gonna do check you. Here. Come on, girl.
Alright, don't bite on me.
Go right over there.
Alright. Alright.
Yeah. Push your nose, honey. Here.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, that's what we're looking for, guys.
Hey, don't get away from that gate.
I hope you guys can see that really well.
She's standing here.
She's standing as soon as he pushes on her back. Pretty darn still. And her backside is really swollen.
Okay.
Yep.
Hey, why do you keep... Oh.
Because that's what they do. They get a little crazy when they're in heat. Come on, just come.
Oh, I gotta go distract her.
Come here, baby.
Let me shovel us out again.
Come here. All right. All right. Come here, baby. Mrs. Pigglesworth. Miss Pigglesworth.
Watch out.
Come here, Miss Pigglesworth. Come here. Hey. Miss Pigglesworth. There we go. Here we go. And get your ear up. Get your ear up. Come here. Come here. Oh. Thank you. No, come here. Okay. You go distract her.
How about you go distract her?
Okay. Miss Pigglesworth. Miss Pigglesworth. Come here. Come here. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Yeah. Nice girl. Nice and heat girl. Yeah. 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 Hey, why didn't you break down this box yet? Huh? That's your box to play with. Huh? That's your box to play with. Yeah, all girls go crazy when they're in heat. I need to dump that water and maybe dump it out this way. confirmed.
I don't think we want to try moving her with.
Panel?
No,
Yeah.
not just you.
Well,
If
maybe,
it was me and my
maybe
brother,
we should
maybe.
wait a couple of days until she's out of heat.
Well, we're not going to do it today anyway.
Yeah. Yes. Right. I know. I know. I know. Look at those teeth. They're huge.
Yeah.
I know.
Can't
Look
see
at
them
those
very well.
teeth.
Careful.
Yeah. But she's got some right there. Come right there. So that's why I was saying be very
Oh,
careful.
I know.
Yeah. You're a little bit crazy right now.
I mean, she's pushing me around like nobody's business.
Yeah.
Right.
There's one thing she doesn't know you.
Well,
I mean, but
yeah.
she was pushing me around. They get that way. They get a little cuckoo bird. They say that they'll be a little extra aggressive when they're in heat like that. So it's normal. So
Okay, I got work to do.
okay, he's gonna go. What are you gonna go do?
Well, I'm gonna go work on that roof.
Yeah. Look at all these chickens. Any eggs yet?
Hanging out.
Any eggs yet?
So what will they do? Jump up in their nesting box?
It's right here.
I know. I can see that. I'm not asking. I'm saying
Yeah.
what will they do?
I need to get them some food.
Good thing you got water nice and close.
Yeah.
It is pretty nice.
Oh, it's heavy though. My goodness. So the chickens are doing great. No more losses, but still no more eggs. So we'll give it a little more time. Chicken got me twice. So that's what it looks like. It was nice that Chris did it because then you could see it wasn't just because she was standing still, because it was me. When I did it yesterday, she really stood still and just her ears were kind of like back, like, whoa, what's going on? And she seemed very excited. So that is exciting stuff. So around the 22nd of next month, we will be inseminating her. So watch for that video. That's gonna come up and I'll show you guys how I do that. It will be my first time doing it, but I've done a lot of medical things. I used to work as a home health aide or professional home health aide, where I worked under delegation of RNs. And so I did a lot of things like change G tubes and which is a feeding tube, and trikes and stuff like that. So trikes, you know, that go here. So I'm very in the NG tubes and all kinds of stuff. So I'm very medical, so I kind of know, you know, so I've been studying up on the anatomy, making sure that I do it right. And we'll get that video to you guys so you can actually see how I do it. So, and then after that, so on the 22nd, that will be around the 22nd of this month. And then we will see around the 22nd of the following month, we will see if she is in heat again. And if she is not in heat, around that time, we'll check her every day. Then that's what they call is settled. So settling just means she's accepted a pregnancy. And so we'll be really excited and see how that goes. So we'll see you guys next time here on Hedgehog's Homestead. There will be a video on the pork slider, which is a chicken or is a pork tractor basically. But we call it a pork slider. We got that from Sweet Briar Farms. So we will be giving them credit in the video too. So Chris is working on that, getting the roof on. And then we will be moving her into that. So it's going to be pretty interesting. I think she smells that I'm still here because the wind's moving that way. So she's standing up, and chickens are doing great. So we'll get back to you on how that goes. Hopefully we have eggs soon. I haven't seen a lick of an egg. I'm going to give it at least another week, maybe more. Maybe we'll try to change their food this week and see if that makes a difference too. We're on soy-free organic food right now, and last time I was on soy-free organic, even though they were under a year old and they were in their prime of laying, they slowed down a little bit. So we will change them from soy-free organic to soy organic and see if that makes a difference. It did last time. So hopefully their system isn't poisoned and we'll never get eggs from them. If so, unfortunately, we are not a hobby farm. Even though we're growing for ourselves mainly at this point, we do not have the capability and the money to keep chickens on that are just chickens. So we'd have to process them and feed them to Miss Bigglesworth. So it would be a good food source for them, or maybe our dogs too. So God bless you guys. We'll see you next time here on Hedgehog's Homestead. Bye.